Good morning, children, and once more welcome to your English class. Children, if you remember that in my previous video I was teaching you one chapter from your English book, and the chapter was the rat trap. In my previous video already I told you that the main character of the story of this chapter is a man who was a seller of rat trap, and this was his main occupation. And besides selling rat trap, sometimes he would steal also. So it was his nature, but his main profession was selling the rat trap. So as you know that once when he was roaming the streets, he came across a cottage. That cottage was in a very poor condition, or you can say that the cottage was in very dilapidated condition. And when he knocked the door of that cottage, he was surprised. Why he was surprised? Because it was daily happening with him that whenever he knocked any door, he was shooed away. He was not welcome. People used to abuse him after opening the door. But this time it was a surprise for him, because when the door opened, instead of facing insult, this man who was selling the rat trap, he was welcomed in that cottage. Actually, the owner of that cottage was an old man. He opened the door and he called the man who was selling the rat trap, the main character of this chapter, inside. And when he went inside, there also he got a grand welcome. Grand welcome means that the old man, the owner of the cottage, he provided him food, he provided him porridge, and he sat with him, and both of them, they had a lengthy conversation also. So in the conversation, this old man, he gave his details. He told him that he is a crofter and he used to work in the fields of others. And in the course of the conversation, he told him that once he had a cow, and that cow was very helpful for him, and the milk which he was procuring from the cow, after selling the milk, he had collected 30 kroners. Kroners is a currency. So he told this man that he had earned 30 kroners by selling the milk products which was obtained from the milk of the cow. So as I told you in the beginning, that this man who was selling the rat traps, he was by nature a thief also. So when he saw the 30 kroners, instantly it came to his mind to take that money. So after the conversation, both of them, the owner of the cottage and this man who was selling the rat trap, both of them, they slept. And when they woke up early morning, both of them, they got ready and they departed for their destinations. The crofter, the old man, he had to go somewhere, and like that, this man who was selling the rat trap, he too had to go somewhere. So both of them, they departed, they left the house. But the man, the seller of the rat trap, he again returned to the cottage, because there was 30 kroners in his mind, and he wanted to take those 30 kroners, or you can say that he wanted to steal those 30 kroners. But when he came back, he saw that the window of the cottage was open, and the purse, the small leather pouch in which the 30 kroners were kept, was hanging very close to the window. And he thought to take that 30 kroners, and he took it. And after taking the 30 kroners, he left the cottage. And he was very clever by nature. Instead of going by the main road, he decided to go through the forest, because he was doubtful. Why he was doubtful? He was knowing that if the owner of the cottage will come to know that I have taken his 30 kroners, then definitely he will try to find me out. So he avoided the main road and he decided to go through the forest. So he walked for a very long time through the forest, but he was not able to get out of the forest. And he observed that whichever way he was going, he was coming back to the same place. And then instantly it came to his mind that now I am caught. This world is full of baits, full of different things, and the human beings are just like rats. So he felt that again he was caught in the trap, which was laid down by the nature, and he felt that now there is no way of going out of this trap, and he felt that now he will die alone in the jungle.